Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a little bit of a sore throat, so please forgive me. I have a Happy Meal that I've had for a while. Long story short, we have been very, very busy. This is from Wednesday and Gilly together. She is so sweet. She sends me things quite often. And I have been curious what's in this for a while. Let's get this open. Oh, it's a little present. And it says, "Hi Marna, my sis saw these and thought of you. She loved that Maleficent challenge. You can probably craft with them." It's from, I'm not going to read her name because she doesn't use it on her YouTube channel. I'm just going to say Wednesday Gilly and Wednesday's sister, who would not be puzzled. Oh, cute. Oh, how cute. Little pierced earrings that are Maleficent. How cute is that? Thank you, Wednesday and Wednesday's sister. I really appreciate you thinking of me and getting this off in the mail to me. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.